This is how you plan the tile layout for your bathroom to determine if you start on a full tile or a half tile. We write on the stick what the measurements are for the bathroom. Over here we have the height of the tub, which is 19 3/4. Over here we have the ceiling, which is 82.5. And a little bit to the right is the total width of the room at 83.5. As you can see, I laid out all the tile horizontally closer to me, and then all the tiles vertically. Over here we can see above the tub there is around a 3.5-inch section of tile. This is good enough. And over here we have 82.5. Taking account of a 1-inch LED track we're going to have on top, we will have pretty much a full tile over top, which looks nice. And we don't have a sliver. Lengthwise, we're gonna end up slightly more than half of tile, which also looks fine. To make the tiles on both ends of the length of the room around similar size, we can move the stick a little bit more this way. Now we have just over 3/4 of a tile on either side, which looks even better. This is how you lay out tiles for your bathroom. I hope this has been helpful. See you next time.